The first question is, I look at the Kayak plan and there are many lines. Most are for folding, but I'm not sure which lines I should cut. Therefore, I create this video, and I will illustrate where to cut using a paper model on my website www.diyusa.org. If you open the Gen 23 file, you will see the boat plan with all the dimensions. The next page is cleaner with all the dimensions removed. Then there are two other pages. If you cut them, realign and glue the pages together at the marker, you can use it to make a bigger paper model. There are only a few cuts. Please watch my demo here. The demo is using a 5 feet wide coral plust. I will also show you the design using a 4 feet wide coral plust in the later part of this video, which is the Gen 23N design. This is the Gen 23N Kayak plan. It is on a 5 feet wide coral plust. You can trim 6 inches off at the top and at the bottom of the plan, and you can fit the design on a 48 inches wide coral plust. Here I illustrate where the cuts should be. I fold it and then use a heat gun to fuse the edge. This will make the edge thicker and stronger.